In this video, I want to show you the easiest way for you to make money online without spending any money. This is easily one of the most common questions people ask online. How do you make money online without spending any money? So I'll show you proof of what I do and how I do it and how you can do it if you watch this video to the end. Hi, my name is 𝐻𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐞. Most people call me the good guy because I make videos like this. I make videos about online money making opportunities like affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and all of those good stuff. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. And with that done, let me show you the main thing that we want to talk about in this video. So now you want to make money online without spending any money, and there are a few ways you can actually do this, to be frank, and this is one of the easiest way that I'm about to reveal to you now. And this is basically affiliate marketing using your YouTube channel. No, we are not looking to get monetized. We are not looking to get into the YouTube partner program. We want to start making money almost immediately with 0 subscribers. Your subscriber count doesn't matter. The age of your channel doesn't really matter. And I'll show you proof again how I do it and what you must take into consideration to be successful with this. If this video helps you at some point, please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So the first thing we need to do is we want to understand what we are about to do. And if I go to, let me open an incognito tab, and I want to show you exactly what I am talking about. So if I come to YouTube and then I make this search, 𝐀𝐟𝐟𝐢𝐥𝐢 microphone, you are going to see this video right here. And this is one of my YouTube channels that I use to make a video like this. All right, so this is it right here, and it has in the last 1 month 181 views. And if you scroll down again, you are going to see this is the same video I made again. And if you go down again, you see this is another video I made again, and down, I think I am still somewhere around down here, but you basically get the point. What I was doing is to create a video around what some persons were searching for, and this is really simple because I was at that point looking for a cheap microphone. So I equally had to watch YouTube videos like this, and then I found this mic, and then I bought this mic, and then I tested this mic. So let me open this video and show you again. This is a channel that I just started not so long ago, and the essence of this channel was just to create content around tech, something else I like apart from making videos like this. So as you can see, this channel, I have just 287 subscribers right here, and it has 5 likes. The video has 5 likes, and it has 114 views since I made this video. And the thing with videos like this is that they are not going to get you millions of views. Some of them might, but you are not going to be expecting that. But what it gets you are called qualified views, and these views are much better than having millions of views, because these persons, when they are searching for products like this, they are in the buying phase, and this is a kind of keywords that you like. So for instance, if you come right here, you see that I have my Amazon link right here, and this is my Amazon affiliate link. And even though this video isn't getting a lot of views, what it's getting is qualified views. So people who are searching for things like this are people who are looking for things like this. And people who are looking for things like this are people who want to buy things like this. So when they watch videos like this, the chances of them clicking is way higher than people who just watch generic videos. So when you create this kind of content, you have to be aware of this kind of keywords. So the kind of videos you make, they are not even hard videos. For instance, if you want to watch this video, you see that I just made a review video. I just opened this microphone. I just had gotten this microphone. So I just talked about what to expect from the microphone, and then tested the microphone, and basically just put my affiliate link right there. And that's basically all you have to do. You don't even have to show your face, even though showing your face and being practical is going to help you better, because people people actually engage more, people trust more of videos like this. So I just had to show my face because I personally want to take this channel further. But if you do not want to show your face, it's completely fine. You can make videos where you just show them how this product works without actually showing your face. So you now have an example of what I do and what other people do. I'm sure you must have seen videos on YouTube where after some time they tell you to check the link in the description, and I might even do that at some point in this video. And that's because there are some affiliate links that we put in the description. I want you to click on them. So if I clicked on this link, let's say somebody watches this video and decides to buy that microphone and they click on it, it's going to take them to Amazon, and this is my Amazon affiliate link. So this is the basic summary of how this works. So again, this is the mic itself, and as you can see, is the same mic that I talked about right here. So it's basically the same mic that I have right here, and the process is basically the same with you if you want to do something like this. So I want to walk you through the practicals of how to set up something like this. So I'm going to close all of this, and I want to go back to a document that I created to make this video easy for me and you. So the first step you need to do is to actually find a niche, and this is actually one of the mistakes that people make from the very beginning. They do not have a niche. They want to make generic videos, and even though this might work, it's not scalable for you. All right, so the reason why you need to pick a niche is that you want to make videos about things that you already have, things that are readily available to you, because you do not want to spend any money, and you want to make videos that people know that you know what you are talking about. So you need to find a niche. It can be basically anything. Let's say you are interested in cooking, you can make cooking tutorials or how to use some gadgets, all right, about cooking. Let's say you are a gardener, you can make videos about tools that you use for your gardening. Let's say you do softwares, you have different kind of softwares. You can equally make videos how you use this kind of softwares to achieve this, and then you put your affiliate link in the description of that video. So after finding your niche, you want to look for products, and you want to be aware that products is what is going to make you money. You are not looking to get monetized on YouTube. You want to actually use this solely for affiliate marketing, and you want to find products that people are going to buy, and this product, they have to be around these niches. So if I come to Amazon, I'm going to see a lot of products that are around the niche that I want, that I already want to create videos around. So let's just say gardening. I don't know why I'm using gardening. So let me just type gardening right here. And even as I type, you can see Amazon is going to give me like auto-completed question that people are looking for. So as you can see, gardening gloves for women, gardening stool, gardening supplies, gardening tools for women, gardening kneeling pad. You see, gardening kneeling pad. So let's say you're a gardener, you already have all these things. All you have to do is come to Amazon, all right, look for these products that you can affiliate. All right, you look for this product and you find the ones that you have, or the ones that are similar to what you already have. And then once you have found that, you want to join the Amazon Associate program. I'll put a link to that in the description. I made a video on how to join the Amazon Associate program. I'll put a link to that in the description. So you want to create a list of the products that you have already. This can be basically anything. It doesn't matter. It can even be as tiny as a USB cord, a USB cable that you use, or even as tiny as this marker that I have. It doesn't really matter. People are looking for information out there, and you want to provide them information about what you already have. And the good thing is you can be paid for this using the affiliate marketing system. So the third step now is to join these affiliate programs. All right, Amazon is one of them, but there are other affiliate programs that you can join depending on where you come from or what you want to do. There's Amazon, there's impact.com. Again, I have a video about Impact. There's JVZoo, these are for softwares. There's Warrior Plus for products. There's Best Buy for equally physical products. eBay, Fiverr, a whole lot of affiliate marketing platforms that you can join. The processes are actually the same. So you join these affiliate programs, and after joining these affiliate programs, you can now get what is called your affiliate link. Again, I have a video for Amazon and Impact Hub, impactradius.com. I'm going to put all the videos in the description of this one. So after joining the affiliate platforms, you want to create your YouTube channel. All right. Creating a YouTube channel is completely free and easy. You just go to youtube.com, log in with your email account, and then just create a YouTube channel. It's very simple. You can watch other videos on YouTube how to do that. I don't want to do that because I don't want this video to be that lengthy, but it's completely free and easy to do. So after that, you want to design your YouTube channel, and this is important, although a lot of people overlook it. So why you are doing this is because you want to be in this game for the long haul. So you want to design your channel so that when people come, they know that you are not doing this just to make affiliate commission. You are doing this because you genuinely like what you are doing. So if you're doing cooking videos, you want to create banners to design your YouTube channel. Again, this is easy. I have a video on how to use Canva. So you can use Canva to create simple YouTube channel banners and YouTube thumbnails for your videos, and design your channel so that when people click on your channel, they have this connection with you and they can actually attribute your channel to a human being. So this is actually important, although a lot of people neglect that. So now this is where the real job starts, because we have found a niche, you found the products around these niches, you joined our affiliate programs like Amazon and the rest, and you want to make informational videos like the ones I've made right here. Videos like these are informational videos because people are searching for these are informational videos. So if I come here and then I say best microwave for whatever, so if I say best microwave oven, or microwave for best microwave oven for grilled chicken or to grill chicken, these are searches that people are already doing, and I'm going to show you how to find some of the keywords already. So if you watch all these videos, or if you go through these videos, you will see that these guys, they have affiliate links inside of these videos. So let's check this one and see if they have an affiliate link inside of the video. This is actually like very common thing to do. This is a short. So you equally need to create simple 60 seconds videos like shorts. Again, all these things are completely easy and free to do, and you do not have to spend money because you already have these products already. So we don't want to watch shorts. Let's go to home. If you come to the home, you can see these are videos about chickens. This is LG microwave. So if you click on this, you want to go through the description. You want to see what other people are doing so that you can do the same thing. So if you click on show more, you should see some links that will take you to where you can buy this. All right, so as you can see, these are, so this one doesn't really have any links, but when we continue our search, you're definitely going to find others, a lot of them, who actually have links. So let's look for a particular brand. I don't really know the brand to use. Let me just say scan frost chicken, blah blah blah. Okay, let's say scan frost washing machine. So I click on scan frost washing machine, and then I want to watch some of the video, the best you can buy. So as you can see, that video is just 10 months old, and this person is getting views already. Of course, these, as you can see, they are not even subscribed, they are just 406. So if you click on show more, you are going to find, as you can see, you can get, this is an affiliate link for sure, and you can, this is basically what you need to be doing. Videos like this, I'm sure this person doesn't even show his or her face, but it's always better for you to show your face. But if you for some reasons cannot show your face, it's still fine, and you can make this kind of videos. So this kind of videos, you can make them as short and as long form content. The end goal here is for you to put your affiliate link while giving people value for money. So if you click on the next step is you want to put your affiliate link in the description of the video. I already talked about that. And the last step is to continuously do this. You just have to rinse and repeat this so that you gain traction on YouTube. So this is basically the step you need, and this is completely free. You can make money from the very day one. Of course, this is not a given, but everything is still possible. So you can make money almost immediately using these simple steps that I have shown you. Now, for you to know what people are searching for about your product, you can use Amazon to find keywords that people are searching for, like we did right here. And when we're typing, Amazon gave us the autocomplete to show us what people are looking for. So if you have gardening pad, you can come here and search for gardening pads and find the gardening pads that you have. Even if you don't have these gardening pads, you can make videos about similar ones that you have and why you think that one can serve for what you have already. So if you come here, let's say we want to do air fryers. If you type air fryers, you are going to see keywords about other air fryers. As you can see, these are double basket air fryers. If you have a double basket air fryer, you just show people the double basket air fryer that you have, make a cluster of video around this air fryer and put your affiliate link right here. So this is how to get your affiliate link on Amazon. So let's say I wanted to create I wanted to get an affiliate link for this. I just click on the product. Of course, I'm already an Amazon associate partner. So if you are not yet an Amazon associate partner, you must become one. So you need to watch the other video that I have on that. So once you click on the product, Amazon is going to allow you generate the affiliate link that you can put in your video descriptions. So this is actually the gardening part, and all I have to do is come here, click on test link, and I can get my affiliate link. And this is the link I will just put in my YouTube description. So this is how you can make money with YouTube almost immediately, with no sub, with no money, and with no monetization on YouTube, just using YouTube for affiliate marketing. Again, you have to understand YouTube is a search engine and people come to YouTube to search. So if you create this kind of content, you will appear on search and people can see your videos. So again, to get your Amazon affiliate link, you just click on get this test link. And this becomes your Amazon affiliate link. You can just copy it, and every time somebody clicks on this link from YouTube and makes this purchase, Amazon is going to credit you with a sale. And for you to actually see this bar right here, the moment you join the Amazon Associate program, you are going to see this bar right here that allows you to easily generate your affiliate link. And this, my friend, is how this works. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. My name is 𝐌𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐞𝐫. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.